Okay, so some of these titles look really interesting. How do I get to the actual content? If I want to get to a website in Google, I just click on the title of the resource in my search results. Some databases are set up the same way, but when I click on a title in this database, I get information about the article instead of the article itself. This information is actually useful because it helps me choose articles that work for my purpose. I can see details about the author, the journal or magazine, and even how many pages the article has. And look, instead of reading this really long article only to find that it didn't say anything about my topic, I can just read the summary here under abstract and tell that right away. These ones look more useful, so I'll click on the link to view the articles. That might take me directly to the article, or I may need to click on one more download or view button to get to the actual full text. And occasionally it might show me an option for interlibrary loan. That just means our library doesn't have the article, but they can get it for me from another library. I just need to request the article. What if I want to get back to the resource again later? The first time I used the databases, I copy and pasted all the URLs into a nice long list, just like I would when using Google. Turns out, that doesn't really work at all. But a librarian showed me that I can use the permalink, which is a permanent link back to this resource. So now I do that instead. I can also look for download and print icons. These might be in a few different places depending on the database, but every database will have these. Most databases also let me email the article to myself. This is a cool trick. In many databases, I can get a draft of the citation and copy and paste that right into my notes. I can also change the citation style. So if I'm using APA or MLA, I can choose the style that matches that. Super convenient. Now I just have to read all these articles.